a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Cause your girl is back with another video. So I'm back with another video, back with another hair review. Alright, cause y'all know I love doing me some hair reviews. So today we're gonna be reviewing a hair from a company called Victoria's Wigs. I can't wait to try. I already looked. If you follow me on Instagram, it's in the description box below, and it's also gonna be right here. I did a little sneak peek of it, and it's so pretty. Okay, so it comes in this bag. Super cute. And let me show y'all the headband to come with. It's a headband wig, by the way. Another headband wig, but it's a pretty headband wig, okay? I can't wait to see how it's look. So they give this headband right here, yellow headband, a green, and a burgundy. And also these headbands. I don't know which one I'm gonna wear today. I wish y'all can like tell me which one I should wear. I don't know, this one looks really pretty. I don't know. They gave these. I'll open one up, all right? One. I'll just open all of them because I don't know which one I'm gonna wear, but I think I'm gonna wear one of these because I like these ones better. These are thicker. This one's pretty. Little flowery one. I don't know, but this flower vibe is giving me like something I'm gonna put on my kid. T. All right, and this is another one. This one's a pretty one, a color, you know, a colorful one. Okay, colors. I feel like I would put this on my daughter if I had one. So then it comes with this. It says because you matter. So it's just the brand story, the hair care routine, and wig storing one-on-one. And then it tells you right here at the bottom what I'm going to show you what it comes with. So they give this. Let's see what's inside the goodie bag. Oh, so they gave wig caps. They gave 2 wig caps. You know what? I might put one of these on because I like this one better. This color better because it like matches my skin tone. So they gave a wig cap, a comb. I love these combs. I love these combs. So they gave this combs. I'm gonna put this right here because I'm gonna need that. An edge brush. Oh, they give a makeup brush? They give a makeup brush, I guess, you know, with the parting area. For the parting area. And some tweezers. I wonder if these tweezers are actually good. So, yeah. So, let me put this wig cap on. And I'll be right back, babes. So, I put the wig cap. So, let's get into the wig. Let's see what's inside. So this is how it looks. It got the little net on it. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let me tell y'all the details of the wig also. So the wig they sent me was their highlighted brown blonde headband wig. So this is what it looked like. So y'all see how it's brown. So the hair is brown and it has highlights, blonde highlights, as y'all can see. So we about to put this bad boy on. I'm excited to try it. Oh, let's talk about the combs inside because that's very important to me, how many combs they have, because like I need my wig to feel secured, okay? So it comes with 4 combs. So one here, one here, one here, and one in the back. So that's really good because like I said, y'all, like if the wig doesn't have 4 combs, it's not a good headband wig. Like headband wigs, you have to be secure. Like this is not secure enough. The headband part, you need combs like actually in your head, so in your hair. Y'all, I love this color on me. Whoo, and it's so hard. Let me like tell y'all something. Like, it's so hard to find like a brown or even a headband wig with ash blonde in it. Like, I had looked it up. I had looked up ash blonde wigs, headband wigs, and it was so hard to find. But like, this company is tea. I'm gonna show y'all the back. Let me brush it. I'm feeling myself, honestly. Like, I'm ready to go take me some pictures because, okay, but let me tell y'all something also. It did have some pieces, like some shedding. I would say like 3 strands of shedding. But the color is beautiful, so I rate the color a 10. I rate the color a 10, but what I could say, like, I just wish it was a little bit more fuller. Like, it's not thin, like y'all could see, it's not thin. I just wish it was a little fuller. But I guess since it's straight here, it doesn't have to. I don't know. I just wish it was a little fuller, but it's still like, it's super soft. The color is gorgeous. I'm feeling myself, I told y'all. Man, I got something here in my mouth. Cut. You know what? I think I'm gonna do the yellow one. Oh, I love this hair. So, that's pretty much the end of the video. Man, I love this color, y'all. I love this color on me. So, this hair is tea. This hair is tea. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to get a headband wig, because like I say all the time, I feel like every person needs a headband wig because it's super easy to manage, and it's like perfect for when you go to the gym, so you don't sweat out your lace, because there is no lace. And you could put in a ponytail, you could put in a bun, like you could do whatever you want with it. You can go swimming. Literally, you could go swimming with these headband wigs, because if you just make sure the combs are secure and your braid or your twist or whatever you have, as long as the combs are secure in your hair, it's not going nowhere. So you could go swimming with these wigs and not have to worry about your lace you know, coming up. So I feel like these headband wigs is like perfect for beginners. But yeah, like I said, I love y'all. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I got some more heat coming for y'all. Bye.